introduction, I have introduced that HUNE Lock can be installed in many occasions, such as gym, stadium, spa, club, hotel, school, and so on. But can you imagine that different occasions will surely have different requirements in operation? So how HUNE can solve it? Actually, HUNE Lock has 3 modes: ID mode, system manage mode, Freekey mode, and different modes is suitable in different occasions. Let me have a further introduction about it. ID mode means one car can only unlock one cabinet lock, just like the specific key to a mechanical lock. ID mode is suitable in occasions of premium club. Why? Because your VIP user may not want to share the locker with others. ID mode is also suitable for home use, cause you are surely not willing to spend too much time on the setting. And you may store different stuff in different cabinets, so you may want different cars have their own authority, but you can still choose Freekey mode as a more convenient choice. Any other occasions require privacy can choose this mode also, such as student and medical staff may not want to share the locker either. System manage mode means you can configure cabinets in HUNE hotel door lock system. System manage mode is suitable for the hotel room use. You can imagine that a small saver is not enough to keep all guests' valuable belongings anymore. Install a cabinet lock on the closet for your guests. Then they can use the same room card to unlock it. Isn't it a great idea? System manage mode is also suitable for the sealed apartment projects. Guest rent for period stay, such as 6 months, may also have the requirement on receiving bills. The property management company can arrange a mailbox for this unit user. Unit user can also use the room card to open the mailbox. Isn't that convenient? You can change the unlock record and release the operation authority of cabinet lock only in system. And you can also limit the very time of the car to the cabinet lock. Delete or blacklist the lost car? Of course, HUNE cabinet lock is like a mini door lock in the whole system. Freekey mode. I always think this name is amazing because it expresses the essential part of this mode. It means that the authorized car can lock any vacant locker. It's suitable for high-frequency use occasion. Why is related to the use frequency? I'm sure you will not want to wait in a long queue just for a car for your locker. Want to know more about? Please go to our website here, or you can leave your contact information in our Facebook. Then we will contact you back in a fresh speed.